Hello, this is Mr. Kays. We're going to be talking about another river valley civilization today. This time it's in India. It's on the Indus River. We've talked about Mesopotamia. We've talked about the Nile River. So let's look at the geography of South Asia. North of the Indus River is the Hindu Kush and Himalaya mountain ranges. They're going to be important because just like a great offensive line in football, they're going to protect their quarterback, the quarterback being India, from invasion. Hindu Kush in the Himalayas also are going to provide water for the river basin. In addition, coming up from the Indian Ocean are seasonal winds, monsoons. And down from Siberia are seasonal winds, winter monsoons. Both are going to blow in different directions. Summer monsoons are wet and warm, so they're going to drop a lot of water on a very dry Deccan Plateau in India. And the winter monsoons are going to provide cool and dry air for northern India. So they have to dress fairly warmly, and they're going to grow a preponderance of wheat in difference to the folks in the south that are going to grow a lot of rice. In the Hindu Kush, what we're seeing here is a valley or an opening in the mountain range that allows you to go from Central Asia to India. It's very difficult to find. In ancient times, invaders did miss this pass called the Khyber Pass. So it allowed India to not be invaded as much as other countries. And so the civilization is going to emerge on the Indus River. Those people that did find their way through the mountain range of the Hindu Kush used it as a route for migration. You did have some invaders, but not very many. About 4,500 years ago, in the Indus Valley, this civilization is going to emerge. And cities like Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa are going to put their cities right near the water. And we do have an excellent record of excavation. And we know these civilizations built with mud-dried bricks. We've unearthed a citadel, which is kind of like a fort, brick buildings, brick streets, plumbing and sewer systems, and we do have an evidence of city planning. This is pretty big. For 4,500 years ago, they had sewage systems that could be opened and inspected and cleaned out if need be. They had less disease because of that, and that's a big deal. We do have evidences that they traded with other civilizations because we've unearthed coins from other civilizations. We do not know how the civilization came to an end. It was very mysterious. But from the excavations again, long-distance trade, there's evidence that they had a religion, polytheism, worshiped many gods, and specifically they worshipped cattle, which is kind of different. But this is going to be the forerunner of Hinduism, a mix of invasion from the Aryans and these local folks in India. Again, end of the civilization is a mystery. Did they die off because of famine? Were they invaded? I pretty much think probably invasion. But the Indus River civilization flourished 4,500 years ago and then probably were taken over by invaders. Well, this is Mr. Kays, and this is an end to 2.3 on the Indus River. We'll see you down the way.